The way we make Teamcoin is like a fun game with 3 parts: social, money, and activities you can do with your body. In the Teamco app, anyone can pay you to do something social, like watching a funny video or sharing something cool. For example, a brand might give 2 people $1 each if they join a fun program together. After they get the money and finish the social activity, we start the process to make more Teamcoin. But here's the twist. They have to take twice as many steps as most people do in one day to earn Teamcoin in 24 hours. Let's say one person walks enough to earn the Teamcoin, but the other only walks half as much. So even if the brand pays to make 2 Teamcoins, only 1.5 Teamcoins are made. The extra 50 cents that didn't get made helps make all the Teamcoins worth even more. This means the value of Teamcoin will always go up since users, on average, can't generate more than 70% of Teamcoins, because a higher percentage means more steps are needed. With this system, we believe Teamcoin will be a great way to buy things and save money. Join us and start mining Teamcoins.